Hi, so I'm just wanted to show how to download Orca and how to set it up running. Orca 6 has been released last week. I'm here at the Orca forum. You have to go to the download section and you go to Orca 6.0 and there are many versions. You have to find the one that fits your operating system. So basically, I have downloaded the first version, the Orca for Linux with the installer. There are many different options. So you press here, go to download. I have already done this. It may take a while depending on your connection. And after that, that will be downloaded to your computer. So in here, I have downloaded this to my computer. So it's a file .run. It's around 650 megabytes. And I copied this using WinSCP towards the cluster that I use, and I copy the file into a certain folder. I also downloaded the manual. It's the new Orca manual. It has been changed in the content and the design. It looks very nice. And if I search for the install options, this section, I can see it is very easy. I have to go to the folder where I have the Orca Linux installation. I have to basically type something like this to make it executable. So I will copy this command to the folder that I'm in. In this folder, I have the executable file, and basically I change it to make it actually executable. And then what I have to do is run it. I just run the file. So I have to copy this file. Of course, I already installed this. It takes a while, maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes. And the installation will be completed. We choose a folder and this just works, at least in the cluster that I used Orca 5.0.2 in. So basically the setup for the previous Orca version also works here. And then I can go and run different files. I will show you a very fast benchmark that I did. So here you can see two files. It is the same exact input file, the same run. It's an optimization plus frequencies of a corral, one with Orca 5.0.2 and the other one with 6.0. I'm going to increase a little bit the font size for both. This was already a pre-optimized geometry, so the optimization was fast, but you can see here that the same job, exact same job, took 2 hours and 20 minutes in Orca 5.0 and 1 hour 54 minutes in Orca 6. So it's a little bit faster. So far, it doesn't look like a huge difference. If I go to the number of geometry optimizations, so first I want to show the options. So basically, it was a restricted consham with PV0, Def2 SVP, optimization plus frequencies. Here, Orca 6 gives the references that you have to cite depending on the methods that you use. I think that's very useful because sometimes you don't exactly know what are the right references, or you may put a set of references in each paper and then you don't pay attention to the newer ones or to the ones that are special for some of the calculations that you did. So I think this is very nice. Also, the number of geometry optimization steps is slightly different. So if I go to search the final energy evaluation, in Orca 5 it took 19 optimization steps, and in Orca 6 it took 17 steps. So that's a little bit more efficient. So this is not such a large molecule, and also it was pre-optimized with another method, MP2. So it probably there's not such a large difference in how many iterations you need to do, but I will test later a more complicated system starting from a worse initial guess structure and see how long it takes with Orca 5 and Orca 6. The manual is very nice, the design and everything. I recommend people read it. I will have to read it deeply in order to understand the different new methods There are so many new things that I cannot discuss them in a single video. Many of them I don't understand, but I would say please start with the foreword. I think it's worth reading, and I hope you are able to start using Orca6 and enjoy it. And I want to thank the developers and, of course, all the viewers. Thank you very much.